Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about the video number 3, that is the relational or comparative operators. We have already learned that operators, what is operators and arithmetic operators. In this video we are learning about relational or comparative operators. So as I told you earlier, operator is to perform arithmetic operation. Here now, the relational or comparative, the word already defines what is that meaning is. Relational, to define the relation between some operators and some variables. That is called for relational or comparative operator, to compare one and other variables. Is we have the relational or conditional, this comparative operators. So to define that in a particular way, let's see what is that. So a relational operator is also called as comparative operator, which is the relationship between the operands. As I told you earlier, operand is nothing but the values of the operands, the values of the variables, the values of the operators. If the relational is true, it returns true, or otherwise it returns false. This is the KG concept to learn it. If the relation is true, it returns true, or otherwise it returns false, as I told you earlier. So let's see the example, what the example really is in the relational operator. Relational operator. Here we have the example. For example, we are assuming A equals to 100 and assuming B equals to 35. So evaluate the following expressions. Equal to is a sign to compare A and B. अब ये if A equals to B, it means that it is false. We have already know, because A does not compare with B because A is greater than B. Next stop we have the greater symbol. Greater than symbol to define A is greater than B. That is true. We already know. Less than symbol to define A is less than B. That is not true, because false, that is 100 is greater than 35. We have already know. Greater than or equals to symbol is used for greater or equal. It might be two operations on that. It is, if it is greater than, it returns true. If it is equal, it also returns true. As the same, less than or equal to also. If it is less than, it is false, and if it is equal to, it returns false. Not equal to symbol, as the symbol defined, not equal to means not equal to symbol. We know already that A is not equals to B. That defined by exclamatory mark or equals to. That is also true. So to learn more about operators, to know more about the programming concept, stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Don't forget to SSLC. The SSLC was made by me. Everybody has to SSLC for my channel. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you.